You just stand there. Just stand there. It's okay, just stand there. I almost... Hey, for real? Grandpa, why are you going? Stand there, stand there. I'm here, don't go over there, okay? Lift slowly. Ah. Damn! It's been a while. Right. Back, stand back, come back. You, hey. Back. Brother's birthday. I can't finish it. What was the situation at the time? I was looking at something carefully at that moment. I wasn't paying attention to what was behind me while driving. Then when I realized it, I immediately told my child to get down. I saw your child was sitting on the sunroof. This is very dangerous. That is, if you speed up or brake. The child could easily fall. You see the cars behind you. They don't dare to get too close to you. I understand. It won't happen again next time. Regarding your driving, currently there is an illegal act that endangers others' safety. Our traffic police department will fine you 50 and deduct 3 points. Okay, I accept. A small cup streamer. Hey, Hey, where are you putting it? Ha. You're pushing me. Get out. He's slow. You push me. Don't let your ma slow hot water. Hey, I heard him. I told him. Look what you've done. You provide service all day, right? I am slowing down. Didn't slow down. Yikes, you videoed that. Yeah, but it's not a very good one. Molly cow. Cindy. I know there's lots of locked doors. Oh my gosh. I didn't know they could do that. Amazing. Wow. Oh, you really made me laugh. Oh dear. Go back. Go back. I want you to go back. Arrive in Baoding. Like Jiang, Baoding City, Dongshan office, a sign. Wait until you see it. Call you to watch. It's true. The car behind, don't move. This is sitting. Arrived at this transfer station. Not suitable for playing. Play quickly. Wow. Staff the hand. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Pretty good. Help me hit. Oh my god. This is the first time I've encountered this today. Scared the hell out of me. I've never seen anyone so bold. Drunk and ran away after causing an accident. Today in Yelang. Then we were eating barbecue. Suddenly over there, it was because the traffic police were checking for drunk driving. And then we were watching too. Suddenly I heard a loud bang. Then everyone stood up to look. Then we heard a lot of consecutive sounds. We went over there to look. And saw a car. I don't know if he was drunk driving or what. Probably trying to run the checkpoint. But because, there are 2 lanes on the main road going straight. There's 1 lane on the left. And 1 on the right. He was on the right side of the right lane. At that time, he crashed into the cars in front. And then the cars behind. Crashed into cars on the left, crashed into cars on the right, and hit other people's cars. He crashed into about 7 or 8 to 10 cars. So he crashed all the cars to make an opening. Then the traffic police were all shouting. Saying, meaning, some cars should not back up. Don't do what? That is, don't leave him any space. Then every driver probably feels a bit like, you know, they dare not. It just made this car. Then it could turn around. And then it crashed into that guardrail. After it hit the guardrail once, it didn't break it. It turned around and drove away after hitting a second time. I was just standing at the guardrail. Then I stood at the guardrail. What was I thinking then? Because I seemed to hear my friend say, hey, film this video. Make a video. Was going to make a video in the bustle. But I didn't capture it myself at that time. But I just happened to be standing at the corner. Why did they say spending money today can ward off disaster? Almost today. Because I've lost some money today. Then spent several thousand. So is that warding off disaster? If there hadn't been a buffer today, if he had so about the rush, he would have immediately run me over. So, first, I'm amazed. Why someone could be so daring, oh my god. If he was driving under the influence or drunk driving. Even if he were caught. At most, his license would be revoked. Or detained. But he went on like this. He was being seen, and had hit many cars. And even pushed the police car forward. Should have hit it. The traffic police had already smashed his front glass. And yet, oh my god, he still fled the scene without hesitation. Oh my god, I couldn't understand. Why could he be so bold? And he was logical. He logically crashed forward. Crashed backward, left and right. That proves his thinking was clear. That's very thought-provoking. And then, 2 under the car, he still ran over 2. Oh my god. This 6 parts killed 15 at Huzi Avenue. My nephew, at Huzi, M. Is it in Luohan? Listen. Got it. Supposedly the last person.
He called me, and I rushed to the group chat. Is this one ours?
There are 2 bottles. Really 4. 4. And there's another one underneath here.
There's another one for under the car now.
Okay, get the phone number for him.
Sun Yang, he's so ruthless.
Open his belly. Letting blood would be right.
It's just like sand.
How did it hit? This isn't hurting his body. Isn't this one alive?
It's moving. It's still alive. This guy wants to wear clothes in the ditch. Done wearing.
You just need to be greedy for the number of cows. He is not where. What's the use of the 2 of them?
Why do I? What are we playing at?
Put it back there.
When did you get the pepper iron armor?
Can't get it back. The rope can't be pulled. If it's on the left and right, it has a mark.
You'll have to sell a cow by then, won't you? It's good to be back. It works. I'm back.
Is anyone there? Who can bring this over? And then look down on him again.
Let's go. This is good. Ouch. Oh my. This neck, damn, oh my, oh.
This neck is so long, damn. Oh. Your neck is pulling off, your brains, your skin is pulling off. It's still connected.
Don't always lose points.
I thought he would only come here. We have to deal with this here.
He's lying in this big ditch.
But you see.
Do you see? How is this all running?
I take you to see it every day.
He takes you there by taxi.